What's going on, guys? This is Roland Blase. I'm going to teach you how to master this chord progression. Stay tuned, guys. Just a few simple tips change the whole way you soloing, guys. If you're a beginner, this lesson is especially for you.
Something that's good for me.
Alright guys, so you hear the groove, What key are we in? So we know it's minor. We hear that passionate minor groove. I hear C. We're in the key of C. What's your chord progression, guys? Look, as I can hear it, guys, you'll learn more about chord progressions once you get the Kompa course from KompaKeyboardSchool.com. And remember, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, guys. Let's get right into it. So what's our chord progression? What is it, guys? So right now we have an A, F, D, G. So A minor, F major, D minor, G major. We have a 6, 4, 2, 5. Now, if I was playing this on my own, I would come up with solos with the major 7 version of these chords. So I would do stuff like that, play around with it. But I'm about to show you guys how to really groove off this beat. It's very simple techniques I'm about to show you. So guys, we know our progression is what? A, F, D, G. So instead of doing it, I'm gonna show you a regular simple solo you would do if you're a beginner. A regular simple solo. Watch this, guys. So A, F, D, G. Now we're gonna substitute some of these chords, guys. So instead of A minor, we're gonna use a C major to substitute A minor, guys. A C major. And watch what I'm doing here, guys. Watch this. Okay, guys, look. So we substituted the A minor for C major. What other minor chord we had? We had a D minor. So what are we gonna do, guys? So we already did something nice here by substituting the A minor with the C major. So we can take our minor chord D minor and use the harmonic major, which is F, and groove with the F instead of the D. So we're gonna substitute F major in the place of D minor. So watch this, guys. Okay, so we substituted for D minor, we did this. Which is our F. Which is our F, add the second. We added that G. So for G major, we don't even need to substitute it. We can kind of walk up some of the notes. So G major, since we're doing this, we can walk up here. You can walk up from the 3rd, 4th, 5th, and 1st note. And guys, I'm gonna slow this down. We're gonna rewind and understand what I'm doing here, building this solo out, guys. So let's go ahead and replay it. You guys saw that? B, C, D, G. That's all a part of my G, add the 4th. So we're gonna rewind and go backwards and relearn everything we just did, guys. So I'm gonna teach you what I was doing, guys. We know we're in the key of A minor. And we know our progression is what? It's A minor, F major, E minor, G major. So what we did in this lesson, we substituted, instead of going to this A, we did something different. We used the C instead. This version of C. We just walked down G, E, C, G. And we kept the F regular, but on the D, we used an F as the second. But what I did was I moved these two notes, the A, I moved it down. We did an F, add the second. What I did was I took this A and moved it down and walked down. And then we walked up B, C, D, E, C. So that's how we built this solo, guys. You guys get what I'm doing, guys. We're building the solo from scratch. It's all about substitutions, guys. Remember that. Instead of playing something regular, like you can use substitutes. You guys understand what I'm talking about. This is Roland Blase. We're gonna keep on building these solos and stretching out your fingers. Listen, you guys can play Kompa. Let's keep on going. Hey guys, this is Roland Blase. One thing I want to tell you that Kompa, you will learn Kompa, you will know how to play. And we've just released the official beginner's Kompa course. In the Kompa course, you will learn the key, how to find the key, what is the key, scales, chords, Kompa chords, Kompa chord progressions, the number system. You will learn minor chord progressions, Kompa rhythm. In this Kompa course, how to choque, simple solo tips, you will know how to start your journey off playing Kompa. For $19.99, this Kompa course has just been released. Go to kompakeyboardschool.com. It will be the first link on the top of the page, and you will begin to know how to play Kompa in no time. Most of the key elements to Kompa keyboard playing is in this course. So guys, do not wait, do not hesitate. Get your Kompa course now and start playing Kompa right where you're at.